Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving this Dollar Tree home sign a simple and budget-friendly makeover. I'll show you how I did it by just using a little bit of paint and a few soft details. Okay, so I started by adding a black base coat to the entire sign. I'm using a smaller paintbrush with a pointy tip just so that I can get into the little spaces on the sign. Okay, so to be sure that I have full coverage, I'm going to apply 3 coats of my black paint. And in between each of the layers of paint, I'm going to use my heating tool to dry it. Okay, so now that the base paint is dry, we're going to move on and apply some paint to the leaves. So here I'm using a lighter green, and I'm just gently brushing over each of the leaves on the sign. Okay, so to give my sign a little pop of color, I decided to add this peach color to the round sections on the sign. Okay, so to finish off the sign, I decided to add this darker green, and I decided to create little stems around the leaves and the peach sections on the sign. I felt like this gave it a little bit more detail, and it also brings everything together. To finish the sign, I decided to add a thin layer of Mod Podge over the entire sign. This will help protect the paint, and it gives it a nice finished look as well. Okay, so once the Mod Podge is completely dry, I went ahead and I hung my sign using the twine that it came with. But keep in mind that you can also remove that twine and add some ribbon if you would like a different look. I just left the twine and just kept it simple. And here it is, a soft welcoming home sign that looks beautiful on the door. It's amazing how a few coats of paint can completely transform a Dollar Tree find. If you have enjoyed this makeover, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy DIYs. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope this inspires you to pick up something simple and make it your own. I'll see you soon.